Hey, what's up guys? Matt and Celine here from myrawintuition.com. Coming to you from like a week and a half absence. So it's been a while since we've been on YouTube here. So good to see you again. We want to show you guys what we are having for dinner tonight. And also we got a bit of an announcement tonight. Starting right now, you can pick up a copy of a savory salad dressings starter pack ebook on myrawintuition.com. It's some of my favorite savory salad dressings that I like to make. It's been taking me so long to get my actual big physical book completed, so I wanted to just give you guys some of the recipes, since everybody, I get questions about when it's going to come out all the time. And so figure I might as well just make a quick little ebook for you guys. And it's got some information in there for how to make a healthy salad, how to make your own salad dressings. And then it kind of just goes into a few different aspects of why fruits and vegetables are good for you and how they help the body. So what do you think of the book?
I love it. I'm so excited that it's finally here.
Yeah.
It is like some of our, it's Matt's favorite dressings, but his favorites are pretty much my favorites as well. So I'm glad that now I can have it quick access so that I'm not always like, hey, can you help me please? Since whenever I try to improv, it just doesn't work out very well. So we actually have one of them that we're about to eat. So this one is the cowboy sauce, and look how good that looks.
And you guys have seen us make cowboy sauce in previous videos, so you've heard of this one.
Yeah. And so, it smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. So I'm excited that you finally got something out with your dressing recipes. Matt, you make the best dressings.
Thank you. All right, so should we show them what we're going to have for dinner? All right. You want to start?
Mine's not really put together, but I'm going to have arugula with a little bit of red onion and grape tomatoes. Nice. And then here's Matt's salad.
Here is mine. So we've got some arugula, some green kale, or no, I'm sorry, it's dino kale, and 2 heads of romaine. And then we've got like a pint of grape tomatoes, some mushrooms, some mung bean sprouts,
red onion,
and
I think that's it.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Oh, Jack, what are you having? Did you eat dinner?
Jack, what are you doing? All right. So should we put some cowboy sauce on the salad?
I'll hold it. Yep.
All right.
Here it is. Save some for me, please. It's so creamy. That's the good thing about this starter pack is all your dressings are really creamy.
Yeah, they're all pretty creamy.
Yeah.
The nacho drizzle is what? You want me to take it?
Sure.
The nacho drizzle is a little thinner, but the other ones are all pretty thick.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
And it really depends. You can make it as thick or thin as you want, just by how much water you put in it. So yeah, it's good stuff.
I'm ready to eat.
Okay, me too. All right, guys, we are gonna finish up with dinner, and we hope you guys have a great night. I hope you guys will go check out the book. Definitely get it if you like savory salad dressings, and let me know what you think after you make some of those recipes. All right.
myrawintuition.com.
That's right. All right, so until the next video, guys, always
follow your raw intuition.
Sweet.